everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video we're going to try something a little bit different. It's 2026. This is the first DIY that I'm basically going to do, so I'm really excited, super motivated. What I'm going to be doing is a planter for this olive tree that I have in my living room. I really like the olive tree, but the base, I need to change that, and I'm gonna try something really cool. This is the base that I currently have. It's in super bad shape, so I need to change that, but I really want to do something, I don't know, cool, different, and challenging, maybe for me, because I have never tried this, because we're going to be working with cement. I'm gonna be the man of this house, because my husband is working there and he's not gonna help me, so we're gonna do it together. We're going to do what it's called a limestone plunger, something like that. So it's basically like a concrete vase, but it has like this very aged, vintage, antique look on it, and I think it's gonna be perfect for me because I don't know how to work with cement. I have never done it before, and probably the end result is not gonna be like the best, but it's okay because this vase can have like this strange look on it. Something you're gonna see it at the end, and I hope it's gonna work. So yeah, let's get started. For this project, we're going to need a few things. First, we're going to need cement, but here's the problem. I got one cement, but it's just like just cement. This one is what is called fiber reinforced mix for plastering. Yeah, that's what I got. Let me wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you read it? Or screenshot this or whatever. This is the cement that is going to work for this project. It's mixed. We're also going to need some type of like moss soil. I'm not sure. I just got this. This is organic soil. It doesn't supposed to have like any big pieces, and this have big pieces. It doesn't supposed to have like these big pieces. Let's see if we can work with this. What else? We need water. We are also going to need a pretty big base, or well, that it's going to depend on how big you want your vase to be. But yeah, we're going to use this vase as the mold for the vase that I really want. We're going to put all of the cement here, and I'm going to use this bucket just to mix everything together. I need some kind of like protection because I want my lungs as clean as possible. This is what we have. It's not gonna do too much, but it's something. Oh god. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to add the soil. Oh my god, I'm looking so confident right now. Like I just know what I'm doing, but I have no idea. Let's just put the soil in there. Maybe that's enough. Let's mix. Okay. Okay, I'm not an expert, but I'm pretty sure that this is not the right consistency. Like, it needs to be like thicker. I add too much water. So let's just add a little bit more of this, a little bit more of that, to see if we can get it right. Okay, I think I got the right consistency for this project, and it looks like this. Let's work on the base that we are going to use for this planter. I'm going to use this one. I'm not sure from where I got it, but you can use any shape you like. But the thing is, I need something to protect the vase, so once I'm done with the project, I can kind of like remove the limestone planter from this one that is plastic. So for that, this is a shower curtain. You can use like any plastic, like any thick plastic that you have at home. Oh my god, that chicken doesn't stop. And also another thing, this planter doesn't supposed to look perfect. It's supposed to have like small holes and cracks here and there so that it looks old and has like this earthy look, and this plastic is going to help a lot with that. Something like that. Now okay, now let's work on this. We have like the vase. Now let's try to put all of the mix like on the edges to make like the walls of the planter. I'm gonna put something inside of this to have like the perfect shape for the olive tree. So I'm gonna put this. This is a trash can. I put a bagging to cover it so it doesn't get stick. Okay, I think that's gonna work. So we have a small gap here, and that's where we're going to add the rest of the mix. I think I'm going to leave it like this and let it dry. I have all of the mix on the sides. I'm going to put this inside. These are 10 pounds to make sure that the trash can stays on the bottom. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna let it dry. We basically use the whole package of the soil, and we use the whole 40 pounds of this concrete mix. Now I'm going to clean everything and wait a little bit. Okay guys, so our planter is completely done. It's been like probably like 5 days, and I'm finally going to be continue working on this project. So yeah, I have it there. I'm gonna try to put it here. It's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna try to put it here to be able to keep working on the planter. Let me take it. So I have the planter here. Well, my husband my husband helped me, and he removed the planter from these plastic vase. So yeah, he ended up helping me. Now what I have to do is remove the trash can, but it's pretty stuck. So I think I'm going to basically broke the trash can to be able to take it out. So let's see if that works. I can't take it out. Oh my god. Get out! Oh! Wait. It's the bottom of the trash can that is stuck. It's like glue there. I ended up asking my husband for some more help, and he helped me again, and he ended up taking all of the trash can out. Now it's time to start working on the planter. Okay, this is how the planter looks now. I need to remove all of that dust. But these are the lines that I tried to create with the shower curtain, and this is the texture that the planter has. Now we really need to start working on this because I need this to have a natural look, and this doesn't look very natural. First I'm going to use this wire brush, and this is going to help me to fix the texture. I want this texture on my planter, not this one. You can also use something like this, but you have to be really careful. Yeah, that's gonna help a lot too. This is going to make the process a little bit more faster, and this is one of the reasons why we use soil on the mix. As you can see, it has some of these sticks, and when you scrape everything, it has like this brown color. I'm also going to be fixing the top because I want these edges to look a little bit more round. So yeah, we're going to do that too. Oh my god, I have cement even in my ears. I'm a mess. I have cement all over my hair. I feel like I have so many, like, it feels like sand all over my hair, even in my shoes. Yeah. Oh gosh. This is how my planter looks now, and I love the texture that it has now. I'm going to use some paint, and I'm also going to be using water. I'm going to mix those together, and I'm gonna try to add some color on the planter. I'm going to be using white color, brown, maybe some green color too. Let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that, and that's also gonna help to like seal the concrete a little bit more. Okay, what I'm going to do is basically all of the cracks, I'm gonna try to put them a little bit darker. I'm going to use a brown paint, and then on the other parts I'm going to use more white. That way I think it's going to look a little bit more realistic, and we're going to make sure that we are going to pop out all of the small cracks and the things that we really want to show on the base. So okay, I did one coat of the white paint, and I also put some wax in antique color, but only on like the cracks, just to make them pop out a little bit more, as you can see. Now I want these to have a very aged look, and for that I'm going to be using some green paint. I'm going to be using this instead of a brush to make it look even more like realistic. Yes, I like it a lot. Okay, let's keep going. Yes. Oh, I know. Wait. I think the best tip I can give you to be able to paint this is to water down the acrylic paint. That's gonna help you a lot to make this. Oh my god, this looks so good. Yes. I know. Wait, I put too much. Wait. No, wait, I need white color. Oh, wait. It's okay. Okay, this is the end result. This is all of the paint all over my planter, and I really love it. So I basically use the white as the base, then I add a few brown on the cracks, and then what it really makes everything come together was the green color. Love the cracks here. I love everything about this base. Now it's time to bring these upstairs so we can put our olive tree here and then cover everything here on top, maybe with moss. Let's see what we can find. center inside of the house. Now let's put the olive tree inside. I add some rocks inside to be able to stabilize the olive tree a little bit more. And then I'm also going to be using these like craft paper just to try to cover everything a little bit more, so we can have like a better surface on top. Okay, now it's time to add the moss on top, and I have a few different variations of moss. Okay, so basically I have these like Spanish moss. I have this one that is called reindeer moss. This is my favorite of all of them. And I have this other one, but I'm not sure about the name. And I also have these moss stones that I'm going to use, just a few of them, to make it look super cute. Project is done. I hope that you like it, that you enjoyed today's video. It was pretty fun to make, pretty hard too. This is the first time that I try a DIY like this, and I think it turned out amazing. I love the end result. I'm really proud. I really like it. So yeah, I hope that you like it too. If you did, please hit big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and see you on the next one, guys. More videos are coming. I have so many DIYs. I have a white canvas in my house, so many projects and DIYs are coming. Stay tuned. Mwah. Love you. Bye.